15 trades in a row without a single minus.
What?
It is possible only by trading according to a certain strategy. Trend is our strongest factor for entering a trade, but many people use it incorrectly, and instead of this picture, they get that one. In this video, I'll tell you just 2 simple rules, and you'll be able to close 5 or 6 trades with a good return. Well, to copy my account, follow the link from the description. Guys, I'm already in the process of finding my first trade. To close more than 5, maybe 10 trades in a row, using our strategy, we need a strategy which has a clear pattern. I mean, you should understand that if we have 15 trades in a row, which all closed in plus, it is not only because of luck, but also because of a certain pattern of trades. All of trades should be made with a clear criteria to minimize the luck factor. And now I will tell you about one method which can bring either a lot of pluses or a lot of minuses if the stock market will suddenly change. Look, what we see in a classic situation. Here we see a very good horizontal level. It is formed by several touches on the chart. The last touch and this dodgy candlestick only confirms this level. So it is a magnet for the price, and we can predict the breakdown of this level. What will happen after the level will be broken? We realize that we have the next important level, that the price will continue to strive. Therefore, if we see the breakout of an important zone and don't see any obstacles, we don't have any further horizontal levels here. We just had a continuous fall in here, so then we are expecting a continuous growth to the next zone, which is located just here. We can open an older time frame to see what global zones we have in the future, and if nothing prevents our growth after breaking this level, we will open a lot of beautiful trades on the upside. I absolutely understand that there are the first signs of a breakout. We have a candlestick closing without a shadow on the top. So the first trade, it is only 1/3 of my deposit. We can try to make a short trade for 1 minute. Perhaps our obstacle will be this area. We still have some local value here, and maybe we will react from it. In any case, look at the trade. We open it on a clear trend, and one of the secrets and the main help of this strategy is the trend. So you can easily have 10 trades in a row in plus just because you have a strong trend. You are trading on a breakout, and as a rule, volatility at such moments is very high, and all trades can be closed very confidently. Let's say that in 5 seconds we will close the trade, and as you can see, we really got some reactions from this zone. And despite the fact that now there was a small fall, we still closed this trade in the plus. I will continue to trade here on the upside. Now we will wait for some correction. Here we enter the stock market, and a very important thing which I would like to tell you about, I have an indicator which will allow you to simplify your trading so much that you will not have to worry about these levels, to build them somehow. You can add just an automatic indicator on the TradingView platform, and we are going to do it now. Meanwhile, the second trade on this trend is closing very confidently. We have tested this level again, and now we are going up to the next horizontal level, which is marked here. This area will be a resistance for us, so we will mark it in red color. Now let's work with the tool with automatic levels. Right now we have a downward signal, so let's open this currency pair. We write its name in the broker search. Here is this currency pair. Write the amount equals 250 and open a trade for 1 minute on the downside. Then we return to a more intuitive chart. Here everything we have is very simple. As I said earlier, this strategy is perfectly combined with the one I told you about. We have a target to update this minimum volume, and we have a target in the form of this minimum volume. So after breaking through this red area, which is very important for us, the chart is ready to continue to decline to the next targets. Moreover, we have a confirming signal. It is very easy to set up such a system. Now we will wait for the result of this trade, and I will tell you everything. I think while we have the opportunity, we should continue trading on the trend. So we open one more trade. In order for your chart to look like this and to use such a cool tool for free, you need to go to the TradingView website. So the next trade closes quite nicely. This is the second trade based on this signal. So let's return to our topic. Go to the site tradingview.com. Here we need to choose absolutely any trade and asset, expand it on the full screen, and you will see the candlestick chart in front of your eyes. We open the list of assets, and in order to add currency pairs, there we have on this platform. We mark with an asterisk those pairs that we have without marking OTS. For example, this asset, we write its name. Here we must choose Forex and add the chart from any supplier by clicking on the plus sign. So here we have an absolutely the same chart as on our platform. Then we go to the indicators section, write the name of our indicator, and here is the first indicator called support and resistance from the chart prime author. So we click on it once, and this indicator appears on our chart. So let's move on the next trade. Here we have already closed very well. Now I will open a position on the platform and also for 1 minute. Here we have the minimum value, which we updated and broke through. The second very important rule by trading this strategy is a fully confirmed situation when the stock market is consolidating above or below a level. So here we have a green level. Let's make it bolder. And consolidation is considered when the candlestick with a fully formed body, preferably or of a confidence size like this one, or at least this one, breaks through this level. So here we are fully consolidated without any such tails, and it gives us some confidence when we enter in this trade. We have broken through the level, we have impulsive movement here, and our next target is to break through this area and update the next minimum values, which are at this level. So after consolidation under this support zone, we can also trade down to the next support zone. So we have a good trade. We update and consolidate above the last maximum value, so I open a trade to continue the movement. And as you can see, we already have 5 trades closed in the plus. All of them were made with clear criteria, so if you want to get signals on similar trades, then go to our free Telegram channel on the link in the description. And of course trade with us. So let's just wait for the last trading situation to be completed and summarize the results. Well friends, we have calmly earned almost 4x to our deposit. It's a great result, and today's strategy, which we have analyzed, was the reason for it. Thank you for watching this video. Take profit team, worked on it.